Hello friends, good morning to everyone. I hope you all are doing well with good health. I am Naveen and today I am going to explain you about AI Medbot, which is nothing but artificial intelligence medical robot which works with artificial intelligence, and this is my project life cycle. So if any accident occurs at any place or at any particular region, the band, which is inbuilt with many sensors and GPS trackers, sends the information to the control room. After receiving the message from these particular bands, control room activates or sends the information to that particular drone. After receiving the message from these control rooms, drone activates and start the process with the help of GPS tracker, reaches the destination, and after reaching the destination they start treatment with the help of his robotic arms and with the help of the knowledge which is inbuilt within the robot. If in case of uncontrollable situation, the situation is uncontrollable, it sends information to that particular emergency services. In the time being, it gives the basic medication to that particular patient. After reaching the destination, ambulances pick the patients and pick them into the hospital so that we can save the lives of the people. It takes them into the hospital. So how my project is useful to the present situation, COVID-19, the virus which is affecting total world. So our government, the government of India, is trying to implement the home quarantine to the less affected people or the people who are with less symptoms. So they need doctor's observation at least once a week and medical help, as they can't voluntarily take the medicines and the tannic. So we can't send the doctors to these particular home quarantine people to everyone, because there are a lot of home quarantine people, right? So instead of sending doctors, if you send these robots to these particular persons, they observe and they scan the situation of a patient and give the essential medical to those particular persons. With the help of this, we can transport the doctors, the medical robots, in faster way and reduce the time. With the help of this, we can decrease the stress of the doctors so that they can peacefully give medication to the ICU people or the highly affected people. So coming to the artificial intelligence, how we inbuilt artificial intelligence in these particular medical robot. While storing the data of medication, I will use algorithm of artificial intelligence